SkyTech Shadow 3.0 Gaming Computer PC Desktop, Ryzen 5 3606 Core 3.6 GHz, RTX 3060 Review. Deal discount. Unboxing setup. I'm very happy with this PC. Not to throw HP under the bus, but I had originally ordered an Omen from HP which came with an i7 9700K and an RTX 2070. The computer was amazing in terms of performance, but it had one fan and a little oblivious me buying my first pre-built gaming PC got it. Long story short, it would overheat a lot and I had to return it. Was a shame because I really liked it. Anyway, fast forward a week, I'm much more informed and I run into this while looking for a replacement. This PC is amazing. It runs any game I want at max settings even though the components are technically less powerful than the Omen which came with the i7 9700K and RTX 2070. Although that PC cost $1,700 and this one, the SkyTech PC costs only $1,000. So this runs any game I want perfectly smooth and at a fraction of the cost. It has a total of 5 fans. I originally thought there was only 4 but there are 5, 2 on top, 1 for the exhaust. The CPU is self-cooled with its own fan, and there is 1 fan you can't really see in the pictures which blow directly towards the graphics card. Needless to say, this PC does not get hot at all. It stays cool under load which is amazing to me. It came with GeForce Experience already installed which was cool. Opened it up and I instantly downloaded the latest drivers for the 1660 Super. This PC is just amazing. I'm happy I stumbled upon this gem. The RGB lighting is controlled through a button on the top of the case. Again, this is so amazing to me. The only thing I had to do to this PC since I got it to be fully up to date, updated the mobile, update Windows and updated the graphics card drivers in GeForce Experience. To update the motherboard it comes with a CD. This PC has no CD drive though. I googled the B450 update and I found it easily enough lol. Overall I'm in love with this PC and I would highly recommend it to anyone looking for a pre-built in this price range. Overall great product. Highly recommended. Special discount on product. Get the discount link in the description box. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.